Hello, welcome to Rank My Hub, and in this video we are going to learn about how to set up email accounts on CPanel web hosting offered by rankmyhub.com. So I assume that you have already logged into your dashboard. This is the dashboard. So click on login to CPanel. Let it to load. So here you can see there is a section called email. In this section you can uh, modify or configure the features that are offered under email. They are email accounts, forwarders, MX entry, auto responders, default addresses, mailing list, track delivery, global email filters, authentication, address importer, spam assassin, configuration, archive, encryption, calendars, and contacts. So these the remaining options are advanced features. We assume that advanced users will be able to configure it themselves. So we will focus on creating email accounts. So click on email accounts. So here you can see right here there is a step-by-step wizard where you can add an email account, and below it will show the list of accounts that are already in use and the parameters or usage quota or whatever the accounts are configured to. So let's go ahead and add an account. So for the password part you have to choose a strong password. If you wish to use the password generator you can use it and it will generate an password. We recommend you to use at least 12 character length password that should include capital letters, small letters, uh, symbols and numbers as well. So you can use your own password or you can use the generated one. So in this video I am going to show you how to generate a password and use it. So this is the password we have created, and we have to click on I have copied this password in a safe place, and we have to let it use for this account. So here you can see the mailbox quota. So you can set up the mailbox to have a limited amount of storage, or you can use it to you can set it to unlimited depending upon your plan. I would recommend you to set it for 1024 MB or unlimited. So here you can see send welcome email with mail client configuration instructions. So whenever we have created this particular account, a welcome mail will be sent to this account configuration. Let us go ahead and click create account. So admin at privacycs.com is created. So this is how we can create an account, and you can repeat the same process in order to create more accounts if needed. So here you can see the list of actions you can do for this particular email account, that is the password. When you click the password part you can enter a new password and change it from here. If you wish to increase the quota or decrease the quota you can do that as well. Let us suppose I want 100 MB of quota, so the quota could be changed from here. If you do not want to use this account anymore you can click delete, and that will ask for a confirmation before you delete. Once you click deleted, the email will be deleted forever, and the data or emails that are associated with this account will be removed as well. Apart from that you can click on more. You can see the suspend action This will suspend the incoming mail to this particular email address. Suspend login. This will create a suspension for this particular email account login, and suspend incoming mail, access webmail, and configure calendars and contact. So you will not need the first two or three options in normal cases, but in case if you wish to suspend certain email accounts of your users, you can use these options when you are in need. So I will go ahead with access webmail option so that you can check your email. So this is the first time we are logging into the webmail, so we will be provided with a walkthrough. So these are the default webmail applications that are available on the server, that is Hardy, Roundcube, and Squirrel Mail. So if you are new to emailing or webmailing, I would suggest you to stick with Roundcube. It is easy to use. If you have already used the email clients from one of the below, you can you choose to use whatever you feel uh, good with. So again, you have the settings available here, the mail client automatic configuration scripts. So if you want to configure the macOS mail.app on pre-lion 10.4 plus, so if you click this, it will generate a script, and if you open that script, it will automatically configure the particular app. Similarly for iOS or iPod or other things, here it is. So there are scripts and automatic settings for each and every most widely used desktop and mobile and PC or Mac clients. So the manual settings are also provided here, that is the username which we have to use, the incoming server details, the IMAP POP3 and SMTP details. So you can just go through this page and you will be able to set up your desktop mail client easily. So let's go ahead and use the webmail for now. So here you can see that we have received the automatic email configuration settings. So here you can see the mail client manual settings. We have uh, been mailed all these files directly to the email. So this is the webmail interface. You can just go through it and you will be able to configure it as per your needs. So so this is the mailbox, composing address book, special folders, server settings. So if you wish to clear the trash and logout, you can check this one and click on save. If you do not want to view the messages in junk, you can check this one and they get deleted automatically. So it will, this is all about customization. If you put some time towards this, you will be able to customize it. So you can set up a display name. So you can set up the signature as well here, and once you have set up everything, you can click on save, and you can check the address book here, and you can click the mailbox to uh, check the mail. So it's very easy to use. You'll be able to understand it if you use it. So this is all about uh, setting up the email accounts and using the webmail. So in case if you would like to provide webmail access to your users, you should be able to provide the dedicated URL just for the webmail part. So that could be uh, done by providing them a URL, that is your server login URL, followed by the port number. So 2096 is the port number for webmail. We would have already emailed you the webmail login dedicated URL, so you can simply send the dedicated URL and your email account login details to your registered users or your employees or colleagues or whoever will be using those webmail. So they will be able to access the webmail on only the webmail without accessing the CPanel, and they will be able to log into this. So let us show you how they will be able to do. So for the security reasons we are not going to show the address bar, but you will be able to get the dedicated login URL in your welcome mail sent by us during the account activation. In case if you forgot the dedicated webmail login URL, you can always contact our support team and they will send the login details for your webmail dedicated URL. So right here you can see that we have logged into the webmail directly from the URL instead of logging in from the web interface of the cPanel. So here you can see that every time you log into the webmail interface, this particular page will be shown. If you do not want to show this page to the users, you can set a default email. So instead of showing this particular page, it will directly load up the email program and it will open the mail. So if you wish, you can do this yourself or leave it to them, that is your users. They will choose the webmail client themselves and they will set up the default one. So the interface will look differently based on the webmail client. So we have shown the round cube. So let's show you how Hardy looks. So Hardy looks something like this. I think you might have seen this somewhere like GoDaddy. So it will be like this. This is the Hardy. So it's all, at the end of the day, it's all about getting the work done, and whatever the email client that you feel good for you, you can use that. So this is the squirrel mail. Squirrel mail is all about the minimal interface and it doesn't feature any uh, graphically looking good interface. So it's all about getting the work done on a minimalist approach. So you have to configure these settings before you use the mail. Let us add some details. So that was the basic information needed for us to use the squirrel mail. So this is how the squirrel mail will look. So squirrel mail will be very basic, and you will be able to see that it will load very fast. Why? Because it's very light on graphics. So once you have done with the mailing, you can always click on the logout one and you will be able to log out. So this is how you add the email accounts from your cPanel. If you have any queries or if you need help with a configuration or anything, please email the support team and they will be able to get back to you. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.